Welcome to your journey towards mastering the art of lucid dreaming with the mnemonic induction of lucid dreams, or MEALD technique. As the night unfolds, prepare to venture into a realm where your consciousness will blend seamlessly with the world of your dreams, allowing you to explore and control your dreamscapes with clarity and intention. Let's begin by finding a comfortable, restful position in your bed, allowing the tranquility of the night to envelop you. Close your eyes gently and take a deep, slow breath in and release. With each breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation, ready to unlock the doors of your perception. The MEALD technique, developed by Dr. Stephen LaBerge, is a powerful method to realize when you're dreaming and take control of your dreams. It hinges on two key elements: memory and intention. Tonight, we will plant the seeds of awareness into your subconscious, preparing you to recognize and engage with your dreams consciously. Begin by reflecting on your most recent dreams. If nothing specific comes to mind, that's perfectly fine. Simply set the intention to remember your dreams more vividly in the nights to come. Visualization and memory are the core pillars that will support your journey into lucid dreaming. Now, in the sanctuary of your mind, envision a phrase that resonates with your desire to become lucid in your dreams. It could be as simple as, "Tonight, I will realize I'm dreaming," or "I recognize my dreams with clarity." Whisper this mantra softly in your mind, letting it echo through the corridors of your consciousness. With each repetition, feel the intention embedding itself deeper within, a beacon of light guiding you through the night. As you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, visualize yourself becoming lucid in a dream. Imagine the moment of realization, the surge of excitement tempered with calmness, the clarity of thought. See yourself exploring your dream world, engaging with it intentionally. This visualization seeds your intention, making it more likely to manifest. With your intention set and your visualization complete, let's deepen our relaxation. Focus on the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body, a gentle tide that washes over you, bringing peace and tranquility. With every breath, feel your body relaxing further, each muscle unwinding, every thought drifting away like leaves on a stream. Imagine this stream carrying you closer to the edge of sleep, where the conscious and subconscious meet. You're floating at the threshold, ready to step into the world of dreams with the clarity and purpose you've cultivated. As we approach the final moments before sleep, reaffirm your mantra silently. Tonight, I will realize I'm dreaming. Feel the weight and power of your intention as it merges with your subconscious. Trust in yourself and your mind's ability to recognize this intention in your dreams. Know that each night is a new opportunity to explore the vast landscapes of your mind. Whether you achieve lucidity tonight or in the nights to come, you are on a path of discovery and growth. The seeds of awareness you plant now will flourish in time. As we conclude this meditation, carry the calm and the intention you've nurtured into your dreams. Let go of any expectations. Simply allow the experience to unfold naturally. The journey you're embarking on is one of wonder, learning, and self-discovery. Good night, dreamer. May your night be filled with insight, adventure, and clarity. Until we meet again in the realm of dreams.